Happy beach day. So it's a Thursday. I have the day off of IOP and everyone's working. So I'm taking myself on a solo beach trip to Second Beach, Rhode Island. And I decided today I'm going to start recording my journeys because why not? And I've stopped journaling. So this is basically my replacement. My goals for today: finish my book, find a chicken Caesar wrap, possibly get an ice cream, see the giant mansions in the water, body surf the waves. That's all I have for you right now. Anyways, I'm about an hour out now. And yeah, see you at the beach. Well, I've already forgotten to record, but Circle K, I got a coffee. Yes, so fancy of me. Circle K is one of the better coffees out there. I think McDonald's, Circle K, I like them better than Dunkin'. Yeah. Circle K, got a good coffee. If you don't drink coffee, you're a softie. Got it with milk. I don't know what rhymes with milk, but they didn't have anywhere for me to pee. But it's okay because this coffee was a small fee. And now I will hold it till I get to the beach. Beach. Thank you very much. Coffee, coffee, coffee. Coffee, coffee, coffee. I pay for my own coffee. Coffee, coffee, coffee. Coffee, coffee, coffee. I pay for my own coffee. Woo! Thank freaking God for Cumberland Farms bathrooms. That Special K coffee had me in a panic. Hello. I've since gone swimming and now I'm reading. This is my view. The water's actually pretty cold, but it's getting warmer. Alright, so I went to the Roasted Clove and got my Caesar wrap, and then I also got this pineapple vitamin water. I get this all the time because I love pineapple, but every time it kind of tastes like it's gone bad, so I don't know why I keep trying that. It's not it. The lemonade one's good. And then Harvest Cheddar chips, which I already snacked on in the car. A good day. Mr. Man trying to steal my food. Oh. So I think the wrap is like a 7 out of 10. It's like just a hunk of chicken with some lettuce around it and Caesar. I like ones like little bits of it and then the crouton. They're not really any croutons. It turned into a 6 out of 10. I like when it's little chunks and it's mixed in and everything. I decided I'm gonna go on a search for the best Caesar wrap, so stay updated. There'll be new Caesar wrap reviews coming soon. I'm using you as my mirror. A bit of a situation. I forgot to apply sunscreen because usually it's in my lotion, but I changed lotions over the winter and it didn't have SPF on it, so I just fell asleep in the sun for an hour. My face is rather red. Oh my god, it's red. Whoops. Anyways, now I'm on a wee bit of a walk. I think it's called like Spruce Trails or something along those lines. Community garden. It was hard to find a good trail in the woods near the beach, but I needed to get out of the sun. I'm already probably toast, but this one seems to be somewhat under trees. Deep into the forest of Rhode Island. Look at this shelter someone made. That's pretty cute. Pretty spacious. White-tailed hawk. Go! So I got a little sidetracked. Strawberry picking. I drove by the sign and I couldn't not stop. I was on my way actually to a cat cafe because I saw that on the way here. So eventually I'll make it to that. It's open until 7, but right now I gotta pick some strawberries. There's my harvest. The fields. And now I'm on the way to the cat cafe and I will not get distracted. I'm in the cat cafe. Oh no. I did have to pay $10 to, oh, I got some screen on me, $10 to come in. But it's totally worth it. I got 30 minutes with the cats. I paid $10 to hang out with cats for 30 minutes. But it's so worth it. Let me show you all the kitties. Hello, beautiful. Oh man, and you can adopt them too. There's a little folder that says all their name. Oh, that's the menu. Their names and everything, and if they're adoptable. This is a dangerous place to be. I'm gonna remove it. I did not need more coffee. I just needed to see those cats. They were so cute. One of them is named Aurora and I want to adopt her. But I don't have my own house and we also have a dog. And wow, I have raccoon tan line because I had sunglasses on. Holy moly. Anyways, I think it's time to drive back from my journey.